Hippopotamus feces can be dangerous because they often carry harmful bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and others that can cause illness in humans. In addition, hippopotamus feces can also contain parasites that can cause diseases such as amoebic dysentery. Hippopotamuses are also known to spray their feces as a way of marking their territory or as a warning signal to other animals. This means that if a human comes into contact with hippo feces, they could be exposed to these harmful bacteria or parasites. Therefore, it is important to avoid contact with hippopotamus feces and to take precautions such as wearing gloves and washing your hands thoroughly if you come into contact with it.